appeal to the Ombudsman, suspend also the NBI director because he is more a suspect than General Mao dito. We do not want to set a bad example in the independent investigation, and we do not want to put the Senate in harm's way. If we tell the OSAA, the Marines, the PNP who are all there, that pagka may armed men all around the Senate, we cannot defend ourselves. Sino po sa inyo, mga kababayan, pag may winorningan na kayo na wag na kayong lumapit sa bahay namin, lumapit sila naka full tactical gear at meron pong mahahabang armas. Sino sa inyo hindi magve-verbal warning na umatras na kayo? At pag hindi po kayo umatras, sino sa inyo ang hindi magwa-warning shot? At ine-expect nyo kaya nga warning shot ay aalis at uuwi na sila. Pero ano po ang naging reaksyon? Bumaril po paloob ng Senado. It is the first time, ang alam ko lang po may barilan sa batasan nung kudeta. I don't remember now if that was 87 or 89. And I don't even know if it was inside the batasan. Pero it is the first time na Senado babarilin sa loob ng Senado. Lahat po ng Senate media were in the second floor. They have footages po. The investigation can be done independently. I have held off from investigating ourselves. Diba? We can also investigate, but I don't want this to be political. I want it to be calm. I want to respect yung sinabi ng presidente, and I assume good faith. I assume he was telling me that based on the information he had at that point. I take offense that the executive secretary posted in his Facebook na staged without waiting for the investigation. Hindi ako nakatanggap ng tawag sa kanya na kamusta na mga senador, kamusta kayo? I promised my family and some people I will not be emotional in this broadcast, but ito lang po ang pahatid ko po sa lahat ng executive department. Kung anak nyo po kaya yung nandun, kung asawa nyo po kaya yung nandun, yung mga anak ni Joel Villanueva, haven't they suffered enough kahit na sunod-sunod ang false narratives nyo sa kanila? What do you think they felt when they thought na baka hindi makalabas ng buhay yung kanilang tatay? Si Camille, bata pa, kakapanganak lang, di ba? Few months ago. Nandun po, naipit sa loob. Hindi malaman kung anong gagawin. My sister, she's healthy, she's beautiful, but she's not a teenager. If she had a heart attack, anong gagawin nyo? Yung staff ko na legal, hindi political yung mga yon. Di marunong sa politika, they just joined me this term. Traumatized silang lahat. Sabihin nyo may mali na mag-warning shot, sige na po, may mali. So ang sagot po ng NBI,